Today, let's talk about a common English error made by Japanese speakers and even native English speakers who live in Japan for a long time. I'm Paul Preston, and this is 3 Minute English, a podcast in English for English learners. In Japanese, the word kara is translated to from in English. So, in phrases like ima kara or kongetsu kara, you expect to say from now or from this month. Sure, most native speakers will understand what you mean, but in standard English, we don't usually say it that way. Using the word from in a length or span of time indicates a beginning point, but it needs an end point. So you can say from now until tomorrow, or from next week to the end of the month. But in Japanese, when somebody says ima kara, they usually do not have an end point in mind. They are thinking only of the starting point. The end point is not decided yet, or maybe there is no intention of having an end point at all. So that causes a big problem. We want to say this is the beginning point and it continues, but we don't know when it will end. So what can we do? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. We just need one more short word, on. On will solve all of our problems. How? Well, we just need to add it after the time phrase. For example, if we want to say ima kara, we can say from now on. If we want to say kongetsu kara, we can say from this month on. On, in this usage, gives us the feeling that something will continue without an end point. But remember one thing. If you do know the ending point, you shouldn't include on. For example, we can't say from now on until tomorrow. That sounds very strange. Is it forever, or is it just until tomorrow? So we need to say from now until tomorrow. Another great way to state a beginning point, but no end point, is to use the word starting before the time word. So instead of from now on, I can say starting now or starting next month. Of course, I can replace starting with the word beginning for a more formal sound, or the words as of, which sound more official. As of now, or as of next month, has the same meaning as from now on or from next month on, but sounds like more official direction or information. So, try one of these three options. From now on, starting tomorrow, or as of next month. Your English is going to sound better. I'm Paul Preston. Thanks for joining me on 3 Minute English.